Hi, my name is Mew, and today I'm going to be talking about how to create an Instagram carousel. So, an Instagram carousel is a bunch of pictures that you can scroll through, and sometimes people have a call to action. So, it is very interactive, and people spend a quite considerable amount of time on carousel, and that way it helps you with the Instagram algorithm. So basically it's 10 up to 10 pictures where people can scroll past through, and we'll be talking about how to create that. All right.
All right, so here is my Instagram account, and this is what a carousel is. It's basically a bunch of photos that transition onto the next one, like so, and you can have up to 10, and we're going to create this. So we're going to go to one of my favorite tools. Delete all these. Delete those. I'm going to go to one of my favorite tools, Canva, canva.com. And so you can go a route where Instagram actually has templates for carousel, like so. However, they don't really necessarily transition to the next one, and we're going to create one where it actually transitions the way I showed you. So I'm going to go to Instagram posts. Now, Instagram posts are square posts, so it's 1080 by 1080. And what we're going to do right now is to basically create a set of 5 posts that actually string to each other, like connect to each other seamlessly. And then we do another set of 10, another set of 5, excuse me. And so in total, you can have 10 slides. So I'm going to go to resize, and this is for the paid version. So 1080 times 5 is 5400. I'm going to go to copy and resize, like so. And what I'm going to do is go to File, Show Rulers, go to Files, Show Guides, go to File, and Show Margins, like so. And then I'm going to go and pick a background. And I'm just going to choose the most recently used, like so. And I want to not have this background pop up so much. So I'm going to go to transparency and shift it to 20. And transparency, I believe, is only available for the paid version. So no, it's 20. Close enough. I can actually say 20 here. Do that. Okay. And then I'm going to go here to the left and drag the ruler and drop it at the end of first, I don't know, photos. So it's 1080. It's going to be hard to be accurate, but do your best. So I'm going to say there. Do it again. Cursor to the left. Drag and drop it to the next setting. So 1080 plus 1080 is 2160. Okay, and then again to the ruler, drag and drop. To next, add another 1080, and that would be 3240. Best you can. Go to the next ruler on the left and go to another 1080 is 4320. Like so. All right, and then I'm going to have some words. So I'll go to headings, some titles. For put it here. I'll cut and paste. Nope, didn't do that. Cut and paste. Here. Paste. So, and I'll get some kind of description. And what do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Like so. Some kind of description. Like so. Oh, another paste. Okay. So I'm going to have it this way. And I would like to have the color to transition. I want to add in more layers of color. So I'm going to go to element, and I'm going to go to transparent gradient. And I'm going to pick this purple one. So notice that it goes purple and then it goes to clear. That's what I'm going to look for. And I'm going to size it to where I want, maybe bigger, like so. And I don't want purple, so I'm going to go to the purple here and maybe change it to gray a little bit. So that's how I'm going to have it. And I want to duplicate this. So I'll click on duplicate page. So now we're going to have 10 pictures. And I'm going to add some elements. So let's see. Actually, in the first one here, I'm going to add in phone. Like so. Resize it, rotate it a little bit, resize it. Like so. And then I am going to put maybe a computer this way, shift it around a little bit, like so. To me, coffee is really important, so I'll do coffee, and I'll pick this one here. Maybe not over. Like so, and then maybe a pen. And drag drop. And so the next row, I'm gonna focus more on mom related stuff. So I might do working mom. Let's see if there's anything that has working mom, like so. Then I'm gonna work on maybe healthy food. To me, it's really important that my kids eat healthy. Like so. Maybe family time element. There's this. And I might have the last heading be a call to action. For instance, maybe shift it like this. And I might have maybe a phone, maybe an old-fashioned phone. And I'll have that. Then I drag and drop like so. Okay, So now I'm done. I'm actually ready to download it. So I'm going to go to download, make sure it's a PNG file. And when you download, it is going to be zipped. So while it is downloading, I'm going to go to another tool called Pine Tools. So PINETOOLS.com. I am going to go to split image, click on split image, and I am going to go to the folder where it's downloaded. And here it is. This is what we downloaded, and notice it's zipped. How to change that? So it's zipped. And I am right clicking on this and say extract to all. And it's going to be a new folder. And the new folder has these. So I am going to go back to Pine Tools, choose file, go to where I want the file to be. I click the unzip file and click one. I go to horizontal, PNG, and it's already selected as quantity of blocks equal width. That's perfect. And I'm going to change the 2 to a 5. And I'll say split image. And then I will click on these to download them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to come up here again, choose file again, and pick the second file, open, and do the exact same thing, split image. And I'm going to download those files. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I am going to another tool called, excuse me, Creator Studio. So Creator is CREATOR and Studio is STUDIO. So Creator Studio. Here it is. I will go to click on the IG icon. I'll click on create post. I'll click on Instagram feed. And I'll have some kind of title and then description. And I will have some hashtags, and I actually have some stored hashtags, and I'm going to use this set of hashtags today. Paste that in. My location is San Diego. And I'm going to say add content. And I will go to where I've created those split images. These are the split images. And select all these, open. And so you notice this is what we're going to be getting, like so. All right. And then I could say I'll select that it's going to be selected to post to my business account. And I can publish it right now, or I can schedule it here, and then specific day, a specific time, and then I can just press schedule. So that is all.